it's MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Again, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So let's get inspired by this amazing wig that I have for you. I actually got this wig a couple months ago, haven't even tried it on. I literally just cut the lace off of it. But I actually have it in this silver right here, and I absolutely love it. It's a very full wig, so I'm really excited to try it in this blue. Oh my gosh, look at this blue color. I am literally obsessed with blue wigs. I have a collection of blue wigs right here. I'll leave all the links down below, and yeah, I'm just very attracted to the blue wigs. So this is by, right here, SIS. Sister Wig, and it is in the Ivy Lace H ARI, and of course the color indigo blue. It does have a deep lace part and a C part, natural C part, and this actually comes in, it's also really with these colors, it's of this sombre, which means that literally the entire line has these gorgeous, rich, vibrant, beautiful colors, and I'm obsessed with the sombre. Literally everything is so good. I have this sombre wig that is just dreamy, absolutely dreamy. So I love them. Like I said, I have this in the silver already. It's very full. I love it. It's a really great wig. So let's talk about it. Besides, I just gave you a little sneak peek of it. So again, here is this clearly gorgeous, wavy, very full, royally striking, almost like midnight blue color. And it actually is, I'm just trying to peek if, yep, I definitely see, it's almost like the tiger's eye blend where it's multi-dimensional. So I see like black hair and the blue hair. So it just looks so natural of the gradation of the color, just because it's all mixed in beautifully. And just look at those curls. Look how, I mean, is this wrong? No, not at all. So let's talk about the construction of this wig. There are two clips in the front, and there is one clip in the back with the fasteners for your head. I do feel like it is a little like heavier of a wig because there is so much hair, but I just literally had a much lighter wig in my hand, so maybe that's just why I'm noticing it. So, okay, so I do have a wig cap right here, which I have in a nude, and I got from Amazon. I bought a 10-pack for literally $6. So you don't have to wear a cap, you can wear a wig cap. It comes in different colors, different nettings, styles, whatever you want. Just give it a try, or don't give it a try. Whatever you wanna do, free will, people. Okay, so this is totally on, and I'm so excited to put this thing on. So excited. Okay, whoa, look. I'm trying to think of what side this, oh my God, look how full this is. It's almost like a Farrah Fawcett. Wow, okay, so I haven't, let's just take a peek here. I haven't really brushed it too much. So, for shedding, you know, I do feel it is, as I'm looking at my brush, there are also other hairs on here. I do feel like it's a normal shedding. I don't feel like it's shedding all over the place, just pretty average. Okay, let's take a peek at this. You know, it is a very full wig. I remember when I was wearing it in the silver, it's just very full like in the front, which clearly is great, but it's just like sometimes you just I don't really like hair in my face like this, but it clearly for like camera, ooh, boom, boom. How sassy is that? Super sassy. Can I wear it on this side? I'm just trying to think. Put it on this side. I guess I could. Oh, maybe this is the side it's supposed to be on. Man, I don't know. That's the beauty of it. Just play around with it. Actually, I feel like this way was the way it's supposed to go, now that I'm fooling with it. But I feel like that's the beauty of it. You can kind of just move it around, do whatever you want to it, and just find what's perfect for you. What do you guys think about this color and this style? Do you have this wig in this color or another color? I'd love to know about it. Let me know. Feel free, of course, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I do appreciate all the positive comments and everything that's like empowering other women and men to like be their best self and just keep going. Like just do good things. So how do I feel about it? It's just, I mean, clearly I love it. It's very full. You just have to prepare yourself for wearing a full wig. Like, it's just very full. So I do love it. Let me know what you guys think. I so appreciate all of you for stopping by and checking it out. Again, all the links are down below, including all the videos that I shared for you over here of blue wigs and of this one in silver. So again, thank you everyone, and remember, life is short. Wear a wig, and we will see you soon